Welcome back to our Atomic Habits series. In Chapter 3, we unlock the secret to habit building through four simple but powerful steps. Let's break them down. Every habit you build follows the same loop. It's called the habit loop, and it consists of four key stages. Cue. This is the trigger that starts the habit. Craving. The desire or motivation behind the habit. Response. The actual behavior or action you take. Reward. The benefit you get, which teaches your brain to repeat the habit. James Clear says, every habit is initiated by a cue, which leads to a craving, which motivates a response, which delivers a reward. Let's use a real-life example. Goal. You want to build a habit of reading at night. Cue, you see your book on the nightstand. Craving, you want to relax and unwind after a long day. Response, you pick up the book and start reading. Reward, you feel calm and satisfied, which reinforces the habit. See how simple and natural that loop is? The four laws of behavior change. James Clear also provides a cheat code to make or break habits. To build a good habit, make it obvious cue, make it attractive craving, make it easy response, make it satisfying reward. To break a bad habit, do the opposite. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, make it unsatisfying. So now you know the science behind habits. The next step is learning how to apply the four laws to your own life. And that's what we'll cover in the next few chapters. Comment your current habit goal, and don't forget to subscribe for Chapter 4 coming next, where we explore how to make habits obvious.